Click on the Circle tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Circle, and Circle. Give origin as a first point. Give the second point. Click on the Constraint tool. Select the circle and add the diameter. Double-click on the constraint to edit the value. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Create one triangle using a polygon or a profile tool. Give the dimension using the Constraint tool. Click on the 3-point circle tool. Give this point as a first point. Here, this symbol means that the input point is on the triangle line. And this symbol means that the input point is on the triangle point. Select the triangle point. Give this point as a second point. And give this point as a third point. It is the 3-point circle tool. Click on the Tritangent Circle tool. Select 3 sides of the triangle. It will create a triangle tangent to the 3 lines. Click on the 3-point arc tool. Give this point as a first point. Give this point as a second point. And give this point as a third point. The arc will be created through these 3 selected points. Click on the 3-point arc starting with Limits tool. It is the same as the 3-point arc tool. Give this point as a first point. Give this point as a second point. Here, the third point acts as a radius point. Click anywhere to create the arc. Click on the Arc tool. Give the first point as a center point of the arc. Give the second point as a radius and the starting limit of the arc. Give the third point as the ending limit of the arc. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Spline tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Spline, and Spline. Add as many as possible points to create a spline. Right-click and select Close Spline to connect the starting and the end points of the spline. Again, click on the Spline tool and create a spline. To exit the spline, press the Escape button or click on this icon. Create one more spline. Now, click on the Connect tool. Select both splines to connect them via the third spline. Again, click on the Connect tool and connect the other side of the spline. Create one more spline. We can also close the spline using the Connect tool. Select both ends of the spline to close it. To edit the spline curvature, move the spline points in the desired position. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Ellipse tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Conic, and Ellipse. Give origin as a first point. Press the Tab button a few times to change the major radius. Press Enter. Give the second point. Again, press the Tab button a few times to change the minor radius. Press Enter. Click on the Parabola by Focus tool. Give the first point as a focus point. Give the second point as an apex point. Give the third point as a starting limit. Give the fourth point as an ending limit. Click on the Hyperbola by Focus tool. Give the first point as a focus point. Give the second point as a center point. Give the third point as an apex point. Give the fourth point as a starting limit. Give the fifth point as an ending limit. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Click on the Axis tool. The Axis tool works the same as the Line tool but as a reference. Give the first point. Give the second point. This line will be shown in the dotted line. Select the sketch and press the Delete button. Create one vertical and one horizontal line using the Line tool. To convert these lines into reference geometries, first, select the line and click on the Construction Standard Element icon. It will convert these solid lines into the dotted lines and work as references. Then, disable this icon. Click on the Line tool. Add a vertical line, an inclined line, a vertical line. A horizontal line passes through the vertical line. A horizontal line does not pass through the vertical line. Click on the point by clicking Tool. The same can be accessed by going to Insert, Profile, Point, and Point. Click anywhere to add the point. Add a constraint to the point about the origin. Click on the point by using coordinates. Insert the h and v values to add the point. The automatic constraint will be added to this point. Click on the equidistant points. Select the vertical line. Change the value of new points. Press Enter. It will add new points on that line at an equal distance. Click on the intersection point. Select the vertical and the horizontal line. It will create a new point at an intersection. Again, click on the intersection point. Now, select these two lines. A new point is created via the intersection projection of the vertical line on the horizontal line. Again, click on the intersection point. Now, select these two lines. A new point has been created via the intersection projection of the inclined line on the horizontal line. Click on the Projection Point tool. First, select the point, and then, select the inclined line on which the point will be projected. A new point has been created on the inclined line. Again, click on the Projection Point tool. First, select the point, and then, select the horizontal line on which the point will be projected. A new point has been created on the horizontal line. Click on the Point tool, and add a few points. Select these points, and click on the Align Points tool. Give the direction of alignment. It will align the selected points in one single line.